Hello everyone, welcome back to the Health Hala YouTube channel. I'm your friend Janvi. I am studying fitness and health promotion at Conestoga College. So in this video, I'm going to describe the 6 dimension of wellness, and I think this is an important topic at any time, and especially during the last few months of the year, because of the situation and the changes happen, and this topic has become even more important. So today I'm going to describe what the actual wellness is and what are the areas and the dimensions involved in maintaining that actual wellness. And I hope you guys will find out where you guys stand in each dimension, and if you guys need anything to rework or you need to add anything in your dimension, you can go ahead. And yeah, that's why you guys are here, to improve, to bring some improvement in your life. To move further, many people used to say that wellness and happiness are same. So what the happiness is, it's an feeling, it's an emotion, whatever we feel. And as you guys move in the video, you will find out that the emotion is actually a one dimension of wellness. And talking about the wellness, what is wellness? So wellness, it is an active lifelong process of becoming aware of your choices and the decisions you make to live a healthy, balanced and fulfilled lifestyle. And here we are going to focus on becoming aware of your choices and the decisions you make to live a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Here you can see that there are 6 dimensions of wellness, and those are environmental, emotional, intellectual or financial, physical, social and spiritual. So before we start on the further breakdown, I want you guys to ask yourself that tough question, like, how am I doing in this dimension? What are the things I need to improve? And yeah, you need to ask yourself this question as we move further. So, our first dimension is physical wellness. It is the one of the easiest for most people to understand, as it is the difference between experiencing illness and living a healthy life. In short, I can say that it's like caring for your body to stay healthy now and in the future. So here guys, you can ask yourself like, how many days I'm doing physical activity, how often I used to do that, and am I physically active, and so on. Our second dimension is emotional. It's an understanding and respecting our feeling, values, and attitudes. It's like appreciating the feelings of others. We need to manage our emotion in a constructive way. In short, it's like feeling positive and enthusiastic about your life. So here guys, you can ask yourself the questions like, am I feel positive about myself? Do I feel enthusiastic about myself? Do I set realistic objectives for myself, and so on? Our third dimension is social. It includes factors such as maintaining healthy relationships, enjoying being with others, developing friendships and relations, caring about others, and let others care about you. So, in short, it's like contributing to your community. So, here, guys, you have questions such as, am I socially active? Do I do any social activities in my life? Do I make good entertainment choices in terms of TV, reading, or any social activities, and so on? So, guys, we are on our fourth dimension, which is spiritual. It is a process of finding purpose, value, and meaning to our life with or without any organized religion. It's like participating in activities that are consistent with our beliefs and our values, which include questions such as, am I satisfied with my spiritual life? Am I doing prayer meditation that often? Do I add values to my life? And many other questions. So, talking about the fifth dimension of wellness, which is financial, it is a way of managing our resources to live within our means of making financial decision, investment, setting realistic goals, and preparing for short-term and long-term needs or any emergency. So in short, it's an understanding of being aware that everyone's financial values, needs, and circumstances are unique. So here you can ask questions such as, am I financially stable? Do I have proper financial resource? Am I worrying much about my financial condition, and many other questions. So, guys, we are at the last dimension of our wellness, which is environmental. So, it's an understanding how our social network and built environment can affect our health and well being. It's like being aware of the unstable state of the earth and the effect of our daily habits on the physical environment. In short, it's demonstrating commitment to a healthy planet. So, here, guys, you can ask yourself questions such as: am I taking any action to minimize my exposure to tobacco smoke? Am I consuming more than 2 alcoholic drinks per day? Do I make mistakes while driving, such as cell phone use, texting, etc.? So, guys, this was a nice and short explanation on each dimension of wellness. And now you guys are going to tell me that whether it's money, food, staying physically active, or sleep, all are connected with wellness. Yeah, you got it right. Our daily activities are connected with wellness. So, now I want you guys to look back on those dimension and find out that where you guys are doing good and in which dimension you guys still need improvement, and then you can come up with a goal on the basis of your result. Believe me, guys, you will find it much more helpful, and please let me know if you guys are still having any problem in setting your goal. Guys, as I'm going to graduate from fitness and health promotion within 1 month, I will recommend you to use this technique to set up your goals. And if you guys have any concerns, any questions regarding setting your goal or regarding any dimension, please put it in the comment section and I would love to help you. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and please share and like the video and share it to your family members and friends whom you feel it benefit. And I hope you guys like the video. Stay connected with Health Alive.